to China. However, China has warned against speculation until facts are verified. The battle between the Supreme Court Collegium and the central government over judges' appointment has intensified. The top court warns the government of unpalatable decisions if it fails to clear names within 10 days. Ashmit joins us now to take us through the Supreme Court's observations. Ashmit, strong words from the judiciary again, but what can we now expect?
Well, tensions are clearly building between the centre on one hand, the Supreme Court Collegium on the other, and increasingly coming close to a breaking point. The issue, of course, is that of judicial appointments. We've seen roughly about 6 hearings where the apex court in open public hearings has been asking very pointed, sharp questions to the centre and issuing very public warnings to the law minister as well as to constitutional functionaries. The issue specifically in today's hearing that Justice Kaul dealt with was the subject of transfer of judges. Now, Justice Kaul observed that as far as appointing new judges is concerned, that is a space where the centre is likely to have an opinion, and that's fine. However, the Supreme Court observed that as far as transfer of existing judges is concerned, that, the Supreme Court said, is an administrative function, is clearly the prerogative of the Collegium and has absolutely no role for the centre to play. And therefore, the question that was asked of the centre is that why is there a delay in clearing these files, in clearing the transfer of judges? And that is where the Supreme Court, in fact, warned the Attorney General that it will not be shy of passing orders that will be unpalatable towards the centre, and even went to the extent of saying that its hand should not be forced into passing orders that will be uncomfortable for the centre. Strong words, these. Simultaneously, we also had disclosures being made by the Law Ministry before the Parliament, where for the first time they confirmed that they have written to the Chief Justice of India recommending a selection-cum appointment panel that will have representatives from the government, in case of high courts, even representatives from the state governments. This is the first time that we're hearing this confirmation formally by the Law Ministry. So clearly, tensions brewing on both sides posturing before each other. The hearing in this case, we understand, will resume once again in 10 days' time.
Ashwat, many